Cheers to taking the first step towards your study abroad plans. This is your step-by-step guide to help you navigate your way through the AECC mobile app to have a seamless experience at our virtual fair. So make sure you install the AECC app from your Play Store. Let's go. Step 1. As a first step for participating in our VEF, make sure you register. Step 2. Once you register for the event, you will receive a confirmation email with the link to the fair to your registered email ID. Registered participants can join the event by providing the necessary information. Step 3. Once you join the event, you can find 4 options at the bottom of the screen, from which you have to choose Lounge. Step 4. When you enter the lounge, you will be taken to the virtual meeting space, where you will find the AECC help desk, that is our counsellors, and various university tables with the representatives. You can choose to interact with a representative of your preferred university, and for any support, you can join the AECC help desk. Step 5. You will then have to enable your camera and mic to join the table. Make sure you look presentable. Step 6. In case if you want to interact with the university representative, you can click on the chat icon and start a conversation. Step 7. After leaving the university table, you can either visit another university table or move on the event feed for more information. At the end of the session, our counsellors will reach out to you to take things forward. That's how easy it is to attend our virtual education fair. So don't forget to join us on the 22nd of May 2022. See you at our virtual fair.